This clear sliding door, the pack comes in 4, is easy and effective way to child-proof your home and keep kids and pets safe. It limits how far sliding doors or windows can open, helping prevent accidents. This is how you close it while giving you peace of mind. This is how you install it, and this is how you lock the door, and this is how you place it down. Even if you carry your child with one hand, you can simply use only one hand to lock and unlock it. And this, you let it sit for 12 hours for the glue to set and hold perfectly. And the lock works with a simple 1-second motion. Just lift the latch until it clicks. Secure the door and unlock it easily. Look. With one hand when needed. Even if you're holding your baby, the triangular design adds extra stability and strength. Made from durable ABS material, it installs with no tools or drilling. Just peel and stick and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours for a strong hold. When it's time to remove it, warming the adhesive with a hair dryer makes removal easy and damage free. And then you can just open the door like that. It's suitable for sliding doors, windows, closets, cabinets, wardrobes, and patio doors. The transparent design blends seamlessly with any room decor while keeping your space safer for children and pets.